3/4 the number of zebras in a nature reserve is equal to half the number of deer. 1/3 the number of deer is equal to 3/5 the number of lions. If there are 16 more zebras than lions, how many deer are there?
Three-quarters of the number of zebras in the natural reserve is equal to half the number of deer. Okay, before I continue, we try to understand this question. 3/4 of the zebra. So let's say I draw a model first. Okay, I'm using a diagram to solve this problem. So I try to understand. So 3/4. So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my zebra. And it's equal to half the number of deer. That means I must have about 2 more. Because this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right, so this is my deer. 3/4. So I try to use another color to make you understand. 3/4 is equal to the half. Then go to the next part. 1/3 the number of deer is equal to 3/5. Now this is a bit catchy. Now you need to know the LCM, alright, of 3 and 5. Alright. So you make sure you know that it's 15 parts. So you must be clear that you have to draw 15 parts. Alright. But the number of deer should be the same. So my deer, it cannot be the changed one, it should be the same length, right? But I know that it's going to be 3 parts. Now, this is my deer, and my lion is 3/5, which is actually 6 out of 10. Now, one part here, you can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, my lion should be slightly more, right, until here. My lion should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, 7, 8, 9, 10 should be this range, because this is 6 out of 10, which is, if you know 6 out of 10, which is 3/5. Can you see that? Once you get this clear, it will be very easy, because I need to know what is the difference between the zebra and the lion. Now you see carefully, right? These are going to break into 3 parts as well. Now you can see, if I use another color to make it down, to make you understand, you can see that 12 minus 10 units. Can you see that? So my 12 units subtract 10 units is equal to 2 units. And my 2 units is equal to 16. The difference we are told is 16 more zebra. So 1 unit will be 8. So what are we finding? We're finding deer, right? Tell how many units are there? There are 18 units. Alright, 18 units. How I know? Unit is 3 parts, right? So I got 6 units will be 18 parts, right? So basically, we're looking at 18 units. It will be 18 multiplied by 8, and you have 144 deers.